Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a review on this Valentine's Day set from Maniology. I'm so excited for today's review as I am bringing you Maniology's Galentine's Day stamping set. I decided to go with the bundle option with the one plate, one stamper and the stamping polish, and then I also purchased separately the remainder of the set as I truthfully only needed one stamper, and with my code I was able to apply some discount, so it brought me to about the same price as if I would have bought the entire set. Make sure that you check out Maniology's website. As I mentioned, there are different bundles for this particular Valentine's Day set, and I'm very excited to show you the plate and also swatch the stamping polishes, and I will also use the stamper that came with the set itself. If you would like to save some money, you can use my code Judita10. This is my ambassador affiliated code that I received from Maniology, and I will leave all the links for you in the description box in case if you are interested in purchasing this set. You should have enough time to receive it before Valentine's Day. Maniology's shipping and turnaround time is really good for the most part. Also, if you do enjoy review videos, then please thumbs up this video for me, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my future reviews, then please hit the subscribe button as well. Alright, now I will jump into the review swatches, and then I will come back and share my thoughts with you on this set. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, just leave them for me in the comment section, and yeah, let's just jump into it and then I will come back. guys, what were your thoughts on the Galentine's Day stamping set from Maniology? As I said, there are different bundles that you can get for the Galentine's or Valentine's theme, and I decided to only choose one of the bundles, and then I purchased a stamping polish and a stamping plate separately. But I also wanted to try the stamper that came in the set, and as you could see, it works absolutely beautifully. I am very happy with what Maniology is doing with their stampers. In the past, they never really worked for me, but these new ones, especially these ice cube ones, are really good, and I would definitely recommend them to you. Also, you could see that both of the stamping polishes work without any problems, and every single design on the plates also picked up. Sharp, no bald spot. I love this. So definitely you still have time to put your hands on the Valentine's Day editions from Maniology. You can use my discount code Judita10 to get 10% off your purchase, and I would really recommend you getting this. Now, on the other note, I also am going to announce a winner for my Moyu London stamping plate giveaway, so stay tuned until the end of the video. Congratulations in advance to the winner. I hope you will like the plates that I will be sending you once I reached you. The winner will have 72 hours to contact me through social media, and if I do not hear from this winner, then I will be redrawing a winner offline and will be reaching out to the person who will be eligible to win the prize. So thank you so much, guys, for all your support. Make sure you keep watching to see who won the Moyu London stamping plate, and that's all from me for right now. So thank you so much, guys, for everything, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.